everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, we've been down here in Florida for a while and there's one thing missing. We're surrounded by water and one thing missing is our boat. So what we did, we reached out and we got a shipper to transport our boat down here. That should be here later today, if not tomorrow. Then we're gonna get started transforming that thing ready for the waters around here. We gotta do some safety stuff, some upgrades. You know, we'll get our vessel inspection, stuff like that. Just make everything nice and easy. We're gonna call this project Gulf of Mexico. It's the goal to get it on the Gulf. We'll see how that goes. It is an older boat, so you just never know. We'll roll with the punches and we'll make it happen. So hope you guys come along with us. All right guys, here we are. Our boat just got delivered down here to Florida. It's never seen salt water. It probably will now. We got a few things to do to get it ready for the waters down here. Change the anodes, stuff you need for salt water. Some of the stuff Coast Guard's gonna require an updated, like, I don't know, fire extinguisher and flares and stuff. But it is down here. We're gonna take this back to the house and get some stuff done to it, get it ready for the water. We're kind of excited about that, so stay tuned for those videos. We'll have them up here on our site in no time. Right, our site, yeah, up on our page in no time. So hold out for those. All right, guys, boat's down here in Florida. We're in the process of getting ready to take a splash, I guess you can call it. We got our Florida registration numbers there, right there. So we are good to go in the water. We got one more side to do, then we'll go on to trying out some of the EVA foam for the bow. Looks good though. All right, we got this side. This is the starboard side, the last side to go on. We made these up last night on the wife's Cricket. It's reflective green, so that'd be pretty cool. Plus I like green.
Matches your license plate, the green. That says Florida.
Yeah, it'll look green. We'll leave the masking on there. It'll look great. Forgot my squeegee. Fingers will have to do. Here's the satisfying part. Well, there we have it. Okay, we're out here starting with the EVA foam for the boat. We cut out our first piece. See, it's still curled up here. We picked the gray for lighter color. It looks good. First thing we did was on the boat, we went up there and traced it out of this, I don't know, it's like a clear Mylar or something, plastic. Worked really good. So that's our shape we need. And what's cool about the bow is we can cut one and then flip our template over and then do it the other way, and then we'll have each side of the bow cut out, which would be cool. We'll just have to make a little slit to go around the air horns, but looking good so far. Hopefully it looks good on the boat. All right, we have the two left and right side of the bow cut out. Once they lay a little flatter, you can see they're curled up here because it came in a roll, but this is going to look good on it. We're going to try to put it on later. This ain't the size gap. There's hatches in the middle, one for the cabin, then there's the center section, then the anchor locker hatch. We will put foam on those also, but we just wanted to start with the hardest ones, which were the bow pieces. So it's looking good. We'll show you when we have one side on the boat. It's gonna look awesome. All right, guys, we are up on the boat here. These are the parts we just cut out earlier. We're gonna dry fit it and hopefully it fits good. We can get it to stick the first time. Then we'll come over to this section. We'll do in between this piece and the anchor locker door. Then we got the other half over here. We'll just have to cut around the air horns. I think it's gonna look pretty good. And there's that roof there, and then there's a upper roof that we gotta do also. So, but I think it's gonna help out a bunch. Well, here we go. All right, the first step before we put this down is we're gonna just wipe the whole area down with some rubbing alcohol. I had the 91% isopropyl. Just gonna wipe this down so I get the best chance of having it stick. Make sure it's nice and free of crap. Which I think we have it. All right, we got half of it down here on this corner of the bottom. What we ended up doing was putting a small slice in the paper so we could do this half at a time. We started at one edge and then we slowly pulled the paper and rolled it as we're going. You can see we're just rolling it down. And we're gonna start pulling this paper and bringing it to that one. So we're just gonna continue going and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right guys, here's the one side. Looks pretty awesome for being my first time trying it. The line came out all right. Got a little bigger gap there than I do at this end, but it does not look bad at all. Once I get the other pieces on, it'll look great. I'll probably fill in these little spots here, but it looks pretty awesome. Gonna roll this out and then put the other one up and see what that looks like. All right, we're getting ready to do this side. As you can see, the air horns creating a little bit of an issue trying to measure these where the lines are or where to cut on the foam. And that's twisted a little, so it's not quite even. Plus I'll have to put a slit to slide it around that. So I'm hoping I get this one shot. Don't want to waste this piece of foam. Just wiped it down with alcohol. Getting ready to make my move, so wish me luck. Bam! And there you have it, guys. On there on that side, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a bitch getting around that horn. It might have been easier to pull the horn up. But it does look pretty good on here. Considering this boat is a 1977, we're trying to modernize a little bit. Let me see if I can get out here to the tip. Get you guys a better view. The best I can get it right here. But it looks pretty good. We're gonna put the foam on the rest of these and it'll be amazing. All right, we got most of the pieces on here, guys. Looks pretty good. We ran out of the one roll for this piece, which is all right, I guess. We'll get that the next roll. I just got to order one more roll. Then we got these little pieces here. Kind of a weird color around the cleat, but we definitely got pieces for that. But man, does that look so much better, especially with that teak going up through there. I don't like teak, but I mean, it separates it pretty nice. Can't wait to get the rest of it done. One step closer. Project Gulf of Mexico right here. All right, guys, here's a quick look at the EVA foam completed on the boat. Looks pretty good. Let us know what you guys think down in the comment section below. So we're going on to the next thing.